To create archive of drawing, first of all, save current draw, and from the drop down menu AutoCAD, from the publish, activate the command transmit. In dialog window, create transmittal, activate the option add file, and left mouse button and click the CTRL on the keyboard, click and tap Ctrl, and left mouse button select some draw. Select some draw and click OK. Click open, sorry. Now all file is added, and enter note. No, enter some note. I simply Ctrl+V and OK. Next step, specify zip file name. It's maybe that, and click save. That's all.